Into it, and let's talk a little bit about what's happening in the market.
Really interesting market this week. We've seen like our coming soons are down about 5%. They're down to 58. This is what's happened in the last 7 days in Dallas County. New active listings are down about 1%. There were still 352 listings that came into the market. And option period is that first status when the property goes under contract. And those were down about 4%, but there were still 337 that went under contract.
And so once we're out of that option period and we're continuing down the road to the closing table, we're in the pending status now. And that's down 1%, 172 versus 174 last week. And then also sold. Sold actually went up 11%, 330 versus 299 the previous week. Interest rates did have a little bump, a little nudge up, and they are at 6.6 right now for a 30-year conforming nationwide. One of the interesting little market indicators that we're taking and watching are that what happens when we get into 30 days of days on market. That's when things begin a little better, and we have finally reached that. One of the articles that I read said we are no longer in a savagely unhealthy market. Jeff absolutely hates that phrase.
Hate's a strong word. Yeah, it is. It is.
But anyway, things are turning around. We are seeing a lot more of the inventory beginning to slowly peek its head out. Still pretty good clip though.
One thing I'll point out from the Market Watch slide was that on this week solds were up 37%. Last week they were up 11% from the week before.
I know. Let's keep it going. So it'll be interesting to see what happens as everything continues to evolve. Again, this is one of those really unique years that you really have to kind of be on beat all the time to get ahead of it.
Yep.